Meet the squad. Speed, limit, over, penalty, ticket, unload. Yeah, they're not your average animals. The fastest chicken in the world, Speed, starts another adventure. Sunlight shines beyond the cave, and a strange forest stretches ahead, but something feels off. The air is still, no birds are singing, it's quiet, too quiet, something or someone is definitely waiting outside. The fastest chicken in the world, Speed, begins another adventure. But today feels different. His steps are cautious as he walks out from the dark cave. And then, suddenly, something strange is waiting for him. Speed stops as he hears a strange sound in the forest. He looks around, but sees nothing. Broken branches and footprints catch his attention. Speed decides to follow the trail cautiously. Tension builds on his face. Suddenly, something jumps out from the bushes. Speed jumps back in shock. Then he starts running at full speed. He's running towards something, or someone. Where is Speed running to? And what was that thing in the bushes? Stay tuned for the next episode. To be continued in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.